Niyabasabana. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu bazali bami. Nkolise ku leadership. Nkolise nani ukuthi we took time to come to the inner city of Johannesburg. We took time and we made lots and lots of mistakes. And we are coming here to rectify those mistakes. In the first 7 months in the provincial government, Selando Ramaphosa, Etsuane, Ramaphosa, who my office is a party in Johannesburg. Uzobona ukuthi Johannesburg imosheka kangakanani. So ngithanda ukubonga wonke ama-volunteers, ngithanda ukubonga i-leadership yenu, nginomlayezo wodwa nje. Ngicela nibuyeleni niyofaka ama-mask because i-dust izawunyuka la inner city. We are changing the inner city. We are changing the inner city. Kuzoba ne-dust la. Kuzoba ne-dust la. We have started no Masipala. The national government has agreed with us. We are working with international investors that are coming here. We have identified buildings that we know they are wrong. We've identified buildings that we know are owned by government but they are abandoned. We've identified buildings that we know that their owners have left our country. We are using the new law of expropriation without compensation. We are taking all those buildings. We are taking those buildings down so that the dust must go up and the cranes must go up and jobs must go up and opportunities must go up and our people must go up because only the ANC can take our people up. We are not going to allow lawlessness in the inner city now. Ngitshela umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa, uCyril Ramaphosa, wabona lamaphoyisa la? Ayi mina ngisawafuni.